How to add filter on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to add filter on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the CapCut, now select the project that you want to add filter on. After you open the project, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see multiple options like audio, text, overlay, and effects. Drag it to the left side. Once you drag it, you can see the option for filter. Click on it. After you click on filters, you can see multiple filter options over here. Select it according to your preference. Once you select it, tap on check mark. And that's it, guys. That's how you can change effect or add filters on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.